Hello my dear friends, today I want to show you the single rib stitch. So this is how it looks like, and it's a very useful stitch because you can use it at sleeves, v-necks and the bottom border of a jumper, or you can use it on its own on hats. So let me show you how to do it. It's a very simple stitch. It's just one purl, one knit. And you repeat the same at each row. You do one purl and one knit. Let's do it together. One purl, one knit. One purl, one knit. So that's how simple it is. If you get confused how to do a purl stitch or a knit stitch, you can see my tutorial. I will put the link. But if you know how to do both of them, then you already know how to do a rib stitch. It's also possible to do a double rib stitch, which is two purls and two knits. Sometimes you might prefer that look. One knit. So I'm not going to finish the row. This is how it's done. Quite easy, isn't it? Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and comment. Bye.